Hello everyone. In this video we'll be seeing about module 1 renewable energy resources. So first of all, what is energy? Energy is a capacity or ability to do some work. So whatever the day-to-day activities we are doing, for everything we need some energy to do, and this energy, it is converted into an electricity either to do some cooking or doing any other, all our day-to-day activities. It is completely depend upon the electricity, and the major resources for this electricity are coal, natural gas, etc. But this coal, oil and natural gas, it cannot be used for longer period because it is not easy to produce such non-renewable energy resources. So we need to use some alternative energies like solar energy, wind energy, which are available in nature in plenty and it can be reproduced easily. So instead of depleting this non-renewable energy resources, we as a human, we should make use of the alternate energy resources available also. So basically this energy, it is defined as ability to do work. It is a capacity of a physical system to perform some work. So this energy, it exists in many forms like a heat energy, kinetic or mechanical energy, light energy, potential energy, electrical or other forms. So this energy resources, it can be classified broadly into two types. One is renewable energy resources and the other one is non-renewable energy resources. So first of all, this non-renewable energy resources, this is also called as commercial primary energy resources, because commercially we are using this coal, oil or natural gas to produce some electricity. So the non-renewable resources of energy or conventional sources of energy are being accumulated in the nature for very long time and cannot be replaced if exhausted. Nature gifted resources which are consumed and cannot be replaced. So one among that is coal, petroleum, natural gas, thermal power, hydropower and nuclear power, and these are some of the conventional sources of energy. So they are nothing but the non-renewable energy. And the next classification is renewable energy resources. So energy resources which are available in nature, which are available in plenty and can be obtained in our day-to-day life, and if it exhausted also, it can be easily replenished. So such kind of energy resources are called as renewable energy resources. Some of the examples of these renewable resources are solar energy. So solar energy is nothing but the energy obtained from the sun's radiation. And the next one is wind energy. So wind energy, it is also a kind of solar energy, so which is obtained from the wind. And the next one is hydro energy. So this in this hydro energy, the electricity is produced with the help of the water running from a longer distance. And geothermal energy. So geothermal energy is nothing but the energy that is obtained from the earth's surface. And the last type of renewable resource is biomass. So biomass is nothing but the electricity obtained from the waste dead plants and animals. So these are some of the renewable energy resources that are available. So now let's see the differences between this renewable and non-renewable energy resources. So these renewable resources, they are present in Earth's atmosphere, and non-renewable, they are found in the underground layers of the Earth. So this renewable resources can be easily replaced in a short period, whereas it takes decades of years to replace it. And they are abundant in nature. Non-renewable or no, they are scarce in nature. So renewable energy, they do not affect the environment or cause any negative change. They have a serious impact on the environment, leads to climatic change. They pollute the earth and release many pollutants into the air, water, soil, etc. It is a main cause for the global warming. So it promotes a healthy balance in nature, whereas non-renewable resources, it doesn't it disrupts the working of nature due to digging of the earth to take out minerals and coals. Renewable resources, it is very cheap in nature, whereas non-renewable, it is highly costly to procure it. Examples for renewable resources are solar energy, tidal energy, wind energy, hydropower and geothermal energy, whereas example for non-renewable resources are crude oil, mineral, metal ore and mineral ores, etc. So these are the differences between renewable resources of energy and non-renewable resources of energy. Now let's have a brief introduction about all the renewable resources. Let's start with the fossil fuel. So fossil fuel, it is one of a non-renewable energy resources. So fossil fuel, it is a term which is used to describe group of energy sources that were formed from ancient plants and organisms during the Carboniferous period, approximately about 360 to 286 million years ago, which is also known as prior to the age of dinosaurs. So there are three major categories of fossil fuel. One is coal, oil and natural gas. So coal, it is formed from ferns, plants and trees which are hardened due to pressure. So this coal, it is of three different categories. One is bituminous coal, subbituminous coal and anthracite coal. So all these three categories are the coal, it is categorized based on the carbon content present in it. So carbon content and sulfur are the main reason for to make the coal burn. So the percentage, it varies in all the three categories, which differentiate them from the purpose of using. So when we look about the differentiation of all these three categories of coal, so first one is lignite or subbituminous coal, which is used for producing electricity, but it also produces more smoke. And this type of coal is available in Neyveli in Tamil Nadu and Assam, Kashmir and Rajasthan. So the next one is bituminous coal. So here the carbon content will be of about 75 to 90% and is a major fuel for almost all steel industries, etc. And this type of coal in India, it can be found in regions like Bihar, Bengal, Madhya Pradesh and Orissa. And the last one is anthracite coal. So anthracite coal, it produces more heat, but the smoke produced is very less. It can withstand for longer time and it can produce the heat. And this is mostly found in the Himalayan regions in India. So these are the three classifications of coal. And the next one is oil. So oil, it is formed from smaller organisms like zooplankton and algae. Intense amount of pressure causes this organic matter to decompose into oil. So this oil, it is also classified into two types. One is petrol, the other one is diesel. So it is a type of liquid fuel where it is derived from the fractional distillation of petroleum. It is the lightest fuel with a specific gravity of 0.71 to 0.76. And the next one is diesel. So diesel, it is also a type of liquid obtained from the fractional distillation of petrol and kerosene. Its specific gravity ranges from 0.82 to 0.96. And the next one, last one is natural gas. So the natural gas undergoes the same process as oil. However, the process is longer and it subjects to higher amount of heat and pressure, causing further decomposition. So natural gas, it is also used to produce steel, glass, paper, clothing, brick, electricity and as an essential raw material for common products like paints and fertilizers. So this is about the fossil fuel.